और लाइव और कोई नहीं ओके
Jain sir. Hi, Under Officer Harshad Jain. Welcome you to the Hall of Fame. Since 5th January 1994, this hall has stood tall as a beacon of character, unity, and service among the youth. Each room encapsulates the essence of NCC, celebrating the rich heritage of courage, discipline, and excellence. My fellow cadets will now guide you through this hall. I hope you have a wonderful visit. Jain sir.
Jain sir. I, Cadet Warrant Officer Esther Carvalho, welcome you to the room, echoing with heroic taste of valor. May I draw your attention to your immediate right. Adorned on the wall is the journey of NCC in India, which unfolds from its formative years, a testament to its rich roots and legacy. On your front, behold the NCC pledge, a solemn commitment etched into the very fabric of courage and discipline. Travels through time, witnessing the evolution of NCC from 1917 to 2025. Each chapter a saga of dedication and service. The wall, adjacent to your left, showcases our NCC insignia, a proud emblem that encapsulates the spirit of leadership and unity. This room echoes the triumphant narratives of NCC, a heritage that stands tall in the annals of bravery. Jain sir!
Jain sir! It is my day. Extend a warm welcome to the NCC alumni. This wall towards your left contains pictures of our distinguished alumni who have made us proud in fields of sports, cinema, international relations, and seminar. So, as you can see, your picture is proudly featured on our alumni banner.
So you know that I'm going to NCC?
Yes, sir.
We don't want to continue with our show. It's okay.
okay okay
Now I'm going back to my NCC days.
This coordination review depicts the learning and history of NCC Ballot Presentation from our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, to our current Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi, marking the 75th anniversary of NCC. In front of you on the wall, the first block depicts the honors and awards presented to our cadets. In the middle of the wall are souvenirs of recent endeavors undertaken by NCC cadets. The first one being the sword presented to our Honorable Prime Minister by Major Sachin Mehta, who ran 80-kilometer day under Nani Shakti Bandhan Run, a 6-day, 470-kilometer run from Jhansi to Delhi. At the other end, amongst other memorabilia, is the gulch containing soil of 21 different states, collected during a mega cyclotron event from Jhansi to Delhi and from Kanyakumari to Delhi, named Mahila Shakti Ka Abhinasam. Besides is the Wall of Peace, encapsulating pictures of Captain Vikram Batra and Lieutenant Manoj Pandey, Paramveer Chakra awardees, NCC alumni, and our heroes who fought gallantly in Operation Vijay. So, in front of you on the wall, depicting the map of India with 17 directorates and 2 officer training academies at OTA Kafi and OTA Warrior, respectively. Jain sir.
Jain sir. I, Sergeant Sachin Dhanush, welcome you to the Army Wing of the Hall of Fame. As you can see, this room is filled with stories to tell, starting with the tanks and artillery guns of Indian Army. On the topmost shelf, 130 mm medium guns are placed. The middle shelf has the armored tanks, such as T-90 Bhishma and Arjun, with the night vision equipment that help in the battlefield surveillance and target acquisitions while fighting. The bottommost shelf has a combination of armored tanks and guns, such as 155 mm Bofors that played a vital role in the 1999 Kargil war between India and Pakistan. The walls of Everest salutes the courage and valor of NCC cadets who created history by surmounting the world's highest peak in the year 2030 for the first time. And they recreated it again in the year 2016 and recently in 2025. The center model depicts the various mountaineering expeditions by the NCC cadets. The pictures on the wall depicts the service-specific training given to the Army Wing cadets, such as drill, weapon training, map reading, field craft, battleground, field survival tactics, and tactical maneuvering. The wall towards your right represents the group of training academies and the 17 directives of NCC. The motto: service before self. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Giants up! I, Senior Cadet Captain Tanish Bajaj, welcome you to the Naval Hall of Fame. The wall on the left includes seamanship, rigging, boat pulling, and various seamanship activities. The wall behind, check our brave hearts with various adventure activities such as scuba diving and sailing. We are also presented with various opportunities both in charting the Ghana and sailing expedition, both in India and abroad. We are groomed as future leaders with the Indian Navy motto, Shamno Varuna, be the Lord of Water, your spacious honors. In the middle of the hall, we have the model of INS Peregrine. It is the first sailing trading vessel as well as Indian Naval first ship to circumnavigate the globe. On your right hand side, you can see various models of aircraft carriers, destroyers, and frigates. The antiques present in the hall depict the custom and transition of Indian Navy through ages. Gents up!
Gents up!
I, Cadet Sergeant Danish Patel, am honored to welcome you to the Airwing Display of Hall of Fame. The board to your left showcases cadets participating in various adventure activities like parasailing, paragliding, parajumping, market flying, and more. Here, there's a life-size mannequin dressed in the fighter pilot's uniform, completed with a helmet and a G-suit. As we progress further, the wall facing you is dedicated to air training, which includes drill, aviation-related subjects, and air modeling. Apart from this, spirit of sportsmanship and adventure is highly appreciated in this. The wall to your right showcases cadets participating in various adventure activities and sports activities ranging from football to horse riding. I would like to have your attention to the wall behind, where the Air cadets have prepared various static models of aircraft with fighters are placed at the top, helicopters which are placed at the center, and transport aircraft which are placed at the bottom. I would like to have your eyes at the center of this room, where we have the majestic R-76, which is the centerpiece of display, prepared by the aeromodeling cadets of NCC Airwing. Then, sir, the 14 years old. Sir, Maharashtra, Pune. Yes, sir.
You know, there are a lot of armed forces officers retired or selected in Pune.
Yes, sir.
Gents up! Hi, Cadet Captain Ruturaj Kadam, welcome to the Youth Exchange Program section of the Hall of Fame. A cross-border initiative uniting cadets globally, fostering the spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. This program involves cadets from various countries like Mauritius, Nepal, UK, naming a few, participating in various activities like leadership, military training, cultural exchange, strengthening the international ties. This year, cadets from 22 countries will be the part of RDC, fostering the spirit of cultural harmony. This wall depicts the EBSB camp, which promotes the spirit of unity and national integration. I would like to have your attention on the wall behind you. The wall depicts a special sailing expedition named Paramveer Sagar Yatra, a sailing expedition in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands to commemorate the extraordinary courage and supreme sacrifice of our PVC warriors, covering 21 islands named in their honor. A total of 400 cadets will be participating in the sailing expedition, which will be conducted from 6th of January to 14th of January 2026. Sir, as NCC, we are not only building leaders, but nurturing responsible citizens. Jai sir!
Morning, sir.
Jai sir, I Cadet Captain Pune, welcome you to the Naval Ship Model. Today on display is the creative handbook of the Naval Cadets. We have constructed the models as scheduled, which includes sensors, structure, and missile control. All of these models have been prepared by Naval Cadets, all India North and Track, which was done by INS students. I request you to follow me to first model. This is INS student, support and large ship of Visakhapatnam class, which is first AI-enabled version. Now we have this is mighty aircraft carrier INS. Now we have INS Imphal, which is sister ship of INS and third ship of Visakhapatnam class. All of these models are working, as you can see some of them in water. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. I am leading cadet Tushar Pandey. Sir, many NCC cadets have done sailing from on board DK Vela sailing boats. Sir, a special sailing expedition was undertaken by NCC cadets from Prayagraj to Kolkata, covering a distance of 1605 km last year. Sir, about 400 cadets participated in this expedition. Numerous such expeditions are held every year and are participated for NCC cadets. Sir, cadets also get an opportunity to sail with Indian Navy and Indian Coast Guard ships. Proceeded for overseas deployment to foreign countries. Sir, I have been a part of overseas deployment. Proceeded to Kuwait, Iran, and Saudi Arabia. Sir, this opportunity gives us to exchange our culture and to interact with foreign navies all over the world. Thank you, sir.
Jain sir. Jain sir, I'm Petty Officer Cadet Ananyagar. Here we have INS Tarini. INS Tarini is a 50-meter long sailing vessel. And interestingly, 2 ex-NCC cadets circumnavigated the whole globe on this very boat in 2025. Sir, adjacent to it is INS Tarini. On board INS Tarangini, 200 cadets in batches of 30 sailed from Mumbai to Visakhapatnam and got the rich cultural experience from there. Sir, presently, we also have 2 other expeditions underway. One on INS Triveni, which is an all-women tri-service expedition, and the second on INS Condania, which is sailing from India to Muscat, Oman. And on these expeditions, NCC cadets are part of it. Thank you, sir, for visiting the shipbuilding enclosure.
Jai Shriman!
Jain sir, we the Air cadets are here to brief on the aero models made by our Air cadets. We have been trained on RC models, control line models and static models. Here we have 2 RC models in the corner. Right in front of you in the center, there's a control line model. And on the table, we have 4 static models of fighter aircrafts, transport aircrafts and an attack helicopter. These models are made from scratch using balsa wood.
This is Su-30, the backbone of the Indian Air Force. It is a twin-engine fighter aircraft. It is developed by Russia and has a maximum speed of 2.3 Mach. It can also carry BrahMos supersonic missiles on it. Su-30 carries both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions.
V-35. It is a transport helicopter equipped with cannons, rockets, and anti-guided missiles. It has played a major role in Kargil War 1999. It is manufactured under the Mil Display Euro in Russia.
This is C-295MW, a medium tactical transport aircraft operated by the Indian Air Force. This aircraft has various roles like providing tactical transport, logistic missions, casualty evacuations. Also, this aircraft is very versatile and reliable, having the capability to stow, which means short takeoff and landing capability.
Rafale is a 4.5 generation multi-role twin-engine fighter aircraft developed by Dassault Aviation France. It can perform air-to-air, air-to-ground reconnaissance and nuclear strike in a single sortie. It was inducted in the Indian Air Force in the year 2020.
These are the RC models made by our cadets in All India Biosonic Camp. It is having 4 control channels and having powered with 7.2cc engine. This can perform maneuvers like 180-degree turn, figure of 8 and the loop. To the conclusion, this aero modeling not only teaches us how to make and fly models, but also inculcates the sense of discipline and responsibility in us. Jai sir.
जय श्रीमान, राष्ट्रीय कैडेट कोर की ओर से हम युवा आपदा मित्र आप सभी का हमारे स्टॉल में स्वागत करते हैं। युवा आपदा मित्र योजना राष्ट्रीय आपदा प्रबंधन प्राधिकरण की एक प्रमुख पहल है, जिसका उद्देश्य 2,37,000 से अधिक युवाओं को प्रशिक्षण देना है, जिसमें भारत की 4 युवा संगठन बढ़ चढ़ के हिस्सा लेते हैं, जैसे नेहरू युवा केंद्र संगठन, नेशनल सर्विस स्कीम, भारत स्काउट्स एंड गाइड्स एंड नेशनल कैडेट कोर। मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स के निर्देशों के अनुसार 17 डायरेक्टरेट्स को कुल 94,400 एनसीसी के कैडेट्स को प्रथम प्रतिक्रिया के कर्ता के रूप में प्रशिक्षण देने का कार्यभार सौंपा गया है। यह पहल इसी युवा शक्ति को एक मजबूत समुदाय आधारित सुरक्षा कवच में बदलने का कार्य करती है। अब हम आपके सामने 3 लाइव डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन प्रस्तुत करेंगे, जिसमें रस्सी तकनीक, आई बॉल इंजरी और सीपीआर शामिल है, जो आपदा के समय युवाओं की सहायता करने में बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण होती है।
हमारा ये प्रशिक्षण कुछ 7 दिनों का है, जिसमें हमने 16 विषय पर ज्ञान अर्जित किया। प्रशिक्षण की संरचना 3 मुख्य स्तंभों पर टिकी है: कक्षा प्रशिक्षण, प्रायोगिक अभ्यास, फील्ड ड्रिल और सिमुलेशन। प्रशिक्षण के उपरांत प्रत्येक कैडेट को इमरजेंसी रिस्पॉन्डर किट, आईडी कार्ड, प्रमाण पत्र और 3 साल की बीमा सुविधा दी जाती है। यही नहीं, हमारे स्टॉल का हर भाग आपदाओं की कहानियों को दर्शाता है। साल 2025 में एनसीसी कैडेट ने वायनाड लैंडस्लाइड में रेस्क्यू और रिलीफ ऑपरेशन, पंजाब बाढ़ में मानवीय सहायता और कुंभ मेले के दौरान ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल और क्राउड मैनेजमेंट में सहायता प्रदान की। साथ ही भविष्य की जोखिमों को कम करने के लिए ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के तहत समुदाय आधारित मॉक ड्रिल को भी संचालित किया गया। अंत में मैं बस इतना कहना चाहूंगा, आपदा नाही रोदान दोष्याम विधिन्य जगति विचित्ते तैयारी त्वरित शियोगे शीत तस्य प्रभाव्या। अर्थात आपदा को रोका नहीं जा सकता, लेकिन सही तैयारी, तीव्र प्रतिक्रिया और सामूहिक सहयोग से इसके प्रभाव को अवश्य कम किया जा सकता है। जय श्रीमान।
We welcome you on behalf of DGNCC to our NCC drone training stall. In line with Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's vision of transforming India into a global drone hub by the year 2030, the government has introduced drone curriculum in NCC. We now have 12 qualified master drone instructors, 55 plus drone instructors who have trained a total of 1100 cadets in this tenure. We are establishing training nodes in Nagpur, Salem, and Idukki, enabling RPC licensing for cadets. We are also organizing drone training camps and drone competitions at national level camps such as All India Vayu Sainik Camp, All India Thal Sainik Camp, and All India Nav Sainik Camp. Now, I would like to make a special mention of Ops Sindoor, where cadets assisted the military in and ground coordination. And I would like to make a special mention that they were awarded with the Chief of Army Staff Commendation for their commendable service. We are looking at a bigger picture. NCC is planning to train 5,000 plus cadets per year and setting up a training node in every directorate. Now let me introduce you to our drone stall and mention that the 4 cadets standing before you are the gold medalists at the first ever drone competition conducted at the All India Vayu Sainik Camp. This is our drone assembly station, where we learn about various components and sensors and how they integrate with each other. We build a drone like this